What's going on, YouTube? This is Trainer for Truck Life Productions, and I'm back with another video. Things looking pretty good right there. While I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and show off the mule. I ain't gonna show too much, that's gonna be another video. But that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about, that's right, the 2017 Mustang. So, what are we doing to the Mustang today? Well, I want to, first of all, welcome LASFIT to the channel. They are sponsoring these bulbs for me. They also give me a code for y'all to check out if y'all want to upgrade y'all's lighting. Check it out, it's TLP10 at LASFIT Lighting or LASFIT Liner. Go over and get y'all some nice floor liners for whatever vehicle you may have. If they've got it, check them out. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and install these lights. So what these are the front turn signal lights, which go right here and on the other side. And then the other box that I have behind here, this is actually the reverse light. So this car only has one reverse light, which I've already changed out, so that's why you don't see the bulb in there. I changed it out so I could go ahead and give y'all a night view of what it would look like with the difference between the regular halogen bulb and then the upgraded LED. So I'm gonna drop those pictures in right now. As y'all see, that is a world of difference. So I definitely recommend this brand. And also they were telling me that, so with these Mustangs, if you are familiar with the S550 Mustangs, the front turn signal bulbs just flash one at a time, flashes, whereas the rear turn bulbs, they flash the sequential 1, 2, 3. So what they did, they said that they have these with built-in resistors to keep them from hyper flashing. So I thought that was pretty neat. We're gonna go ahead and throw them in. So I'll get on down under here, and so up under here you have, there's the fog light. Let's see here, it's a little hard to see. There's the fog light right here. The turn signal bulb would be right here, if I can get to it. Should be right here. Gonna double check from the outside here. Looks like it's just right in above the fog light. So I'm gonna try to do this all one-handed while using my phone and not being able to see. Okay, so actually, let's do this again. Right here is the fog light. Right above it, right there, is the turn signal. So we're gonna get up in here. We're gonna give this a twist, because it should have just come out with a twist. Now I've got to get the right feel for it here. Hang on just a second, guys. I'm gonna try to give y'all a decent view of me going this way. Hang on just a second, let me get a better view set up. Alright, so right here, I'm actually on the passenger side right now because this one was just a hair easier to get to. But go ahead and pull this out of here. Right there's the old halogen bulb. We'll pull that out, stick the LED in, and you'll see what it looks like. I'm actually going to leave this right here so that I can go ahead and just pull this out. Okay, let me go grab the halogen bulb, or the LED, I'm sorry. Now before I put it in, right here, the LEDs, they're on both sides. That is a really nice setup. I'm gonna try to do all this in one take without having any bloopers. All right, so before I even go and put that back into the socket it was in, I'm going to turn on the turn signal so y'all can actually see it work. So I'm going to leave this, trying to set y'all up. I need to work on my camera angles, not camera angles, but my camera tools, get some better stuff for my camera. Alright, so there it is right in the top. So let me get that set up. Alright, so as you see, it's flashing, but on the inside of the car, it's a little, I can't tell. That's what the flash is doing. So, let me see. I have no turn signal on. So let's see if it's doing anything. Trying to see. So, hit the car back off. Make sure that the lights go off. And it may be because I only have one put on. So we'll cut the car back off. And the lights should be off. I think those are on just because I got my Alright, so those are not on. We'll go ahead and put these back up where they go. Which is the fun part, because it is way, well, not necessarily way up there, but it's above the fog light, I can tell you that. So you kind of gotta find the right spot for it. Right here, I'm trying to put it back in. So there's a spot that it was in. Just trying to line up the tabs so that it will fit back into its proper spot. And oh, all right, there it is back in. As you can see, it fits nicely in there. I'm gonna get onto the driver's side now. See if I can do this one again. And again, like I said, I've already done the reverse light, so that one's good to go. Try to see if I can get it better from right here. And of course, there it is. Hopefully y'all seen that. Pull out the halogen bulb. Stick this nice LED bulb into its socket. Okay, now we will stick this back up in here. Like so. And all I gotta do is just tighten this down. And there, it's back in its place. There is the bulb inside of there. Now I will say, and I'm actually going to put these halogen bulbs back into this. Yeah, I think that may have been the reason, because this one bulb is a little hot. But anyway, so they come into this little pack inside of that. Pretty nice setup. Y'all are upside down, or whichever way. I'm gonna figure out these camera angles, y'all, to help things be a little bit better from here out. But all right, let's try our turn bulbs again. So I am going to, been rolling around on the ground trying to clean up the seat here. All right, let's do this again. All right. All right, so it does that for both, and that could be normal. We're gonna get out here and check it out. Sorry, I'm trying to visualize and watch what it does. But it's definitely a lot brighter than the original ones. I will say that. And again, come out back. Like I said, the sequential taillights. But all right, well, there's an install video for this. Is a 2017. I'm gonna cut my turn signal off so somebody don't think I'm trying to turn in my own driveway while sitting still. But like I said, this is for a 2017 Ford Mustang GT. We'll work with any of these Mustangs 15 to 17. Those bulbs will. And I know they have other ones on their site, so just give them a check out on, see what model you have, vehicle, see if they've got what you need. And I would definitely say that I am satisfied with the product. It's LED bulbs, they're a lot brighter. I showed you that little before and after picture of the halogen tail light or reverse lights, and but yeah, other than that, like I said, check out the code TLP10 for you to get a discount. And all I want to say is I appreciate LASFIT. Y'all check them out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.